So yeah, this one is my Ender 3 V2, working well, no problem, everything perfect. But I buy today this guy right here, and this guy, it's a mess. It was in a box, and this box, IKEA box, whatever it is, very weird one. The spool LEDs, whatever kind, was giving me a PLA free, but this one I think so. Oh damn, oh damn, this PLA is dead. Anyway, this is the 3D printer I was talking about. It's quite moving, and this fan, I think so. Yeah, if you don't need airflow, you just turn around to the other side, and if you need, I think so, you just have to push it and put it something like that. And I don't know how much air is getting inside there. Some screws, I take them out from one side here and one side over here, and it says Duet Wi-Fi, but it's flipping Wi-Fi, not Wi-Fi. I have a power button over here. What else? This bed moving around, and oh my god, this one is out from the, what the heck? The belt, it is not loose. I think so, it's okay. What else? Oh, the stop for the Z-axis. This is very interesting right here. You have to go here and stop basically the homing thing, jacks, whatever. The airflow is going around, yeah, nozzle, I think so. This piece here, it's keeping LEDs. How I see it is a piece of face mask. I don't think so have coronavirus on it. there is the connections with the Duet Wi-Fi. Have a dual Z-axis. The power supply. Let me. Oh, something was going on. Anyway. So here I have a fan. There is the power supply. There is the connection with some glue on it. I don't know who used those, but I have a nocturne over there, and we have a nocturne over here. I think so is the most expensive things on this printer. Oh, what else? What else have this guy here? So basically it has one small bearing, one big one, one big one, one big one, and one small one. How you can see it's rusty everywhere. I think so you can print something on it. I am not sure, but the bed is the same. It's moving everywhere. Interesting here how it's the tension of the belt. Okay, a little bit more. Yeah, now we're talking about. The springs there, the stock ones. Oh, have dampers. Oh damn, that's something nice. We need dampers on the motors. Don't make vibration. This one doesn't need anything. Have vibration free anyway. Yeah, what to say. Let's see if is this one doing something anyway. COM7 connect. Oh, we are in. Okay, let's say Z-axis home. Oh really? Okay, Z home. I think she is moving. Yes, I think we're gonna hit that and stop it. Or if not, I have to put the finger over there and stop that thing, because it's still gonna go down. Let's see. Oh damn. Oh damn. We're squishing all the things. Turn up, come on. Oh, okay. This one here. Oh my god. Oh my goodness. None of them they touch basically the V shape over here. Okay, yeah. Oh. Mr. Fun, I'm sorry. Yeah. Guys, what to say? Let's power off this thing. Oh, shut down. Let's take out the... Oh, we still have light inside? But I like the motors. The motors, I think so, they are quite okay. This power supply, it is, I don't know what kind of power supply is this. 12 volts. Let's take out this cable and let's dig in. Oh yes. And also is rubber. They printed? Yes. Most of the parts on this printer, they are 3D printed already. And the fan has a thermostat on it. Yeah. Oh. The cable is going nowhere. Oh, I broke something. Oh, I broke something. Oh, what I broke? Oh, damn. Oh, no. Oh, this is good. Oh. Now we're talking. What's with the super glue? Let's dig, guys. Let's dig because this is funny. This is funny. Let's take this one out. No, this one. This guy here, it's keep me in a way. Oh, okay, it's coming with another cable from. Okay, they take the fan out. Yep. We have those kind of things, so I basically use it for this thing, not for this thing. Come on, get out. Maybe I can use these things for something, yeah? Come on. I don't have 3 hands, I have only 2. And you are already out there. Yeah, come on. Oh, this one doesn't want to go out. Oh, come on. Oh, yes. On the fan, yes. To be quiet. I don't know what's going on here, but something interesting is inside there. This video gonna be awesome, more than FPV. It's about destroying things. And maybe we're gonna make it work, at least. Yeah. Okay, that's funny. Okay. Oh my god. Oh damn, doesn't want to go out. None of you? I don't know, wait, what was closing those? No, I have to take a big screwdriver. Wait a minute. So, we take the good one. A big boy. Oh, I missed one. Sorry, my bad. If I push too hard, I think so I'm gonna get in the other side because all this thing is moving around. And also we have to cut this thing from here. No? Not yet? Come on, guy. Part, and this one is the DC part. Oh, I missed one. I missed one. Number 7. Yep. It's a great fun. It's dirty like this. Oh my goodness. It's moving around, this thing inside here. Let's take it out, boys. Let's bring the light closer. Oh, much better. Don't miss the screws, because you screw if you miss them. Oh my god. How much super glue did you put over here? Damn. Quality check pass. Yeah, I'm sure about that. A couple of years ago. Why was not printing this one with some kind of things to put the screws on it and you have to print it separated? Ow. Don't move around. Please. Make my life simple. Nah, no chance with that. Oh, this one is loose already. Yeah, life easy. I have 13% battery. I'm gonna take my phone, I think so, and continue the video because maybe someone like it. Let's dig in a lot of cables. We don't need managing cables. The mess here. The only thing I want from here is the board, basically, because it's a Duet 2, and if it's original one, that is a very good business for me. Oh my god, come on. Oh, by the way, this one doesn't have any screws in all 4 corners, so it was just laying around here and touching the fan sometimes. I'm sorry, but I have one hand busy and one hand keeping the GoPro. Yep. Oh, more cables. Oh, scheisse. Those are touching? No, I don't think so. We have a Duet version 1.04 that has those things put it on. I don't know if it's the original one. If someone knows, please let me know. Okay, let's keep digging here. Now, all those cables, they come from one side and they go on the other side. How to use this? Why you don't use something like this? Anyway. And it's quite straight. I think so. Anyway, I don't have battery, so let's change with the phone. Okay, so here is a mess over here. Come on, I can broke this one. Come on, come on. Oh, damn, doesn't. Oh, ooh, now it slides. Yeah. So I buy a printer to destroy a printer, a 3D printer anyway. How I was saying, it's looking like Duet Wi-Fi / 3D printed. After a long time, like almost a month and something, I managed to put all together almost the things that are like before 3D printed, because the other way I don't find another solution. I redesign this part right here. This thing here, I put the power supply because it was underneath somewhere over there and I don't like it. I changed the springs. I put a build touch in the back and I changed the sensor for the hot end. It was not working well. You can see I changed those with some springs on it and they are much better in one and the other side the same, because the old ones, they are not so great anyway. So inside here it is all the magic happening. Raspberry Pi 3 Reality board, V4 2.2, and I have here a regulator for the USB, where the USB is powering up the Raspberry Pi. Nothing fancy inside, but it's working well with Clipper. And I put something much better now, it doesn't move. I still have to do some small changes. I just print something and I just glue it over here to see if it's working perfectly or not, and I have to just print another one right here with all together to keep the belt, and also to just hit the and stop here for the X. I think it was worth it. The work I just put on this printer. Yes! Ah, you wanna be a star? Yes? What you wanna be? Oh, okay. You wanna be a pop star? Okay, I get it. Now, underneath here, how you can see the old bearings, I just take them out and I buy some plastic ones. They are okay, no problem with that. I put some grease on, and you can see here there is a bit of grease. But it's working okay, no problem, doesn't make any noises or any artifacts on the print. So I keep the 3D printed legs. I think that was funny, and I just leave it over here. Yeah, I forget to mention the managing cables. What it was before on this printer underneath was a mess. So all the cables, they go around from the power supply, from here, the motor, the bed, and how you can see they go from that way all the way in the box. Those, yes, they a little bit, you know, not so nice. You know, nothing can be perfect. This USB cable is too long, but I don't find something smaller than this. I reprint something like this, but I think so I will gonna reprint them much smaller to be, you know, straight with a frame. And the fan, how you can see, it's wobbling. I don't like that at all, but what you can do, PLA, So now we start to print this cube. That is normally for, testing things. Hey, what's going on over there? Don't like that. So I have to do a screw tilt calculation because sometimes there is not quite straight. In the beginning it was around 1.15, 1.04, so on, and after that this kind of numbers, and in the end, yes. So we have to do again bed mesh calibration because it should be 0.8, 0.9 all the bed, but yeah. So just finish, and let's start from the beginning. How I say it should be 0.8, 0.9. This was a failure, I don't know why. Maybe from the BL touch, maybe from the connection with the Pi, or whatever. Save. Send. Let's print again. Okay. Let's put some light here. Looking very, very good. No complaint. I have some issue over there in the middle, but it's not something very dramatic. No other issues. So on the end, this printer, it's printing alright. Not perfect, but yeah, you can print anything on this. Yeah, after so much work, this printer is quite perfect for projects and for stuff to print for your drone, like those. Maybe something like this to keep your GoPro when you make time lapse. I'm gonna make some other videos about 3D printing, how to set up some things, maybe clipper, maybe how to adjust camera for time lapse on clipper, because that thing is new, and many other things. So thank you for watching, and see you again.